Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to convert Epson ET-8550 from, oh man, okay, from this to a DTF printer. Inside it's decent. As a third-party with tech, that's not a good sign. Oh, by the way, each conversion is different, so I'm just trying to record my journey through each individual one. If you want a systematic teach you step 1, 2, 3 conversion, I have 4 other videos. This video is I plan to make a bunch of them so I can share the real life experience with you. First, we take this top bar off. So you just partly open it and bend it, jiggle a little bit, and you're gonna take it off. Next, we're gonna take the scanner off. On the right side, look at the hinge on the side. You're gonna see 2 screws. It's pretty easy to remove them without taking the red pen off, but eventually you need to take the red pen off. So 2 screws on the right. On the left hinge, if you don't have really long screwdriver bit, it's pretty hard to remove the second screw. Therefore, usually you want to just take the left side pen off. We'll go around and remove the visible screws. And this is the back of the printer. Actually, he already moved the screws underneath, so there's supposed to be 2 more screws. And also, he removed the screw for the mainboard underneath too. And now, in the front of the printer, there's 1 screw near the paper tray. And there's 1 screw on the front left corner. And this screw down 3 layers of plastic. Use your hand to separate the panel from those layers of plastics and push the panel back away from you, and the panel will be taken off. Now we can take the screw off the scanner hinge. There are 3 FFC cables and also a black wire for the ground. Detach the FFC from the mainboard and detach the black wire, and now you can take the scanner off. Now we're going to remove all the visible screws on the top panel. We're also going to take off the right panel. So the panel has 1 screw here, and I think 2 screws in back. And then same thing, we push back and the panel will be removed. Now we're going to remove the top panel and the time cover. His top secret is I use my back of my head to block it. Anyway, all those will be thrown away. Oh, now the front panel. Front panel we're going to put aside and we're going to come back to it. Alright, let's take a look of the printhead. So we unscrewed the tube lock and we pull off all the tubes. Holy mackerel. The customer has no idea how the inside is. And they're the wrong screws. And oh, it's not even screwed in, and so they just lay on it. Let's face it, if this is the best you can do, the God probably gave you talent elsewhere. Anyway, let's take a look. It seems those pins are not silver anymore. No matter how much ink you get on the cable, use a wet paper towel, wipe it off. If it's not silver anymore, take a look of the printhead. You can see the spark burns through the printhead and burn here. So this printhead is not good anymore. If you use this printhead in another printer or in another mainboard, your mainboard gonna burn again. And if you use the FFC cable, it's gonna burn both the printhead and the mainboard. You're gonna create a loop. Burn both the FFC cable and the mainboard. It seems she realized the problem is the mainboard and work on it. So the mainboard wasn't connected to any cable, just laying on there, not much to show there. We take the mainboard out. And the tanks. And tubes. Backplate. Duplexer. Now we're going to take the power supply out. There are 2 screws. And we remove the PE sensor. And I'm going to remove the PE sensor. Anything with electronics will be taken out. This is why we charge extra for the ink spill when we do the conversion. And the subboard. Now I'm going to remove the PE sensor. And there are, I think, 6 screws in this one row. If you see any screws, remove them. 1, 2, and whatever. 3, 4, and just these 2 rows. Yeah, I got more than that. Okay, just whatever you see here, remove them. There are 6 now. And there are 2 screws in the back. Since I'm right in front of it, I'm going to remove this screw. And there's 1 screw in the front. Most people forgot when they try to remove the pieces. So remove this and remove the screw in the back, and it's 1 on each side. And now I can take this whole assembly off. Now in the back, we're going to remove 2 middle springs. You can use a dental tool or plier or something, and just make sure that you don't lose them. If you lose them, you know where to find them. PCHtechnology.com. For those 2 places without springs, you just push them straight down and they're going to get released. And now we're going to unscrew this screw which secure the PE sensor. I'm going to put a link to the PE sensor, the spring, those 2 screws, and the FFC cable for the PE sensor in the description. So those 2, say you push it down, and then you can just pick it up. In the later video, I'm going to show you how to install them. And here's the PE sensor. So we already uninstalled the printhead, the mainboard, the PW sensor, PE sensor, power supplies, subboard, and PF sensor. Okay, all the electronic parts are gone. Just to answer the question why we charge extra $1 for people who have ink spill when we repair or when we convert the printer into DTF, and this is the reason. All right, so we're going to clean this one up, and then next video we're going to put them back together and we convert this to a nice DTF printer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.